On this video, you gonna see the third technique to boost your success. Create a visualization script. Make sure to subscribe to not miss future videos. And gives us a thumbs up. This is an ingenious visualization technique that's perfect for when your mind feels a touch distracted, or if you're feeling anxious or upset. A visualization script is far like keeping a diary or a journal, except it focuses on your goals and desires. To utilize this creative visualization technique, you will need to urge a blank journal or notebook. Take out your notebook and begin to write down your ideal day as if it's already occurred. You can start each of your journal entries by writing, "Dear Diary, today was a great day. And so on. The best part of this technique is that you are less likely to be distracted by random thoughts as you write things down. Writing things down as if an event has already happened, or as if you have already obtained your deepest desires and wants helps to create the required vibrations and energy that's needed to form creative visualization useful. If you need some help getting started with this particular technique, you can try the present me versus future me method to help you get started. This technique requires you to write down how you are currently, and where you want to be in different areas of your life. You want to try to describe your particular situation in as much detail as possible. You can do this by including all 5 of your senses in your descriptions. You want to fit your script to your particular situation. When you describe your ideal life in this kind of detail, you can't stop your mind manifesting the vibrations needed to manifest all your heart's desires. If you like our videos, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Use music to aid your visualization. Enjoy your journey.